Every day, people are becoming more aware of the problem with plastic pollution, and there are so many people that are trying to do something about it.
As Sea Cadets, we love being out in nature and we really care about keeping our favourite places clean.
With the Scrap Plastic Challenge, we're reducing how much plastic we use and taking on plastic pollution.
We want to inspire others to do the same, so here are the Beach Guardian's 5 tips to keeping safe.
Number 1.
Wear gloves or use a litter picker and always wash your hands afterwards.
Number 2.
Don't pick up sharp objects and don't touch anything that looks suspicious.
Number 3.
Tell someone where you're going and when you'll be back.
Number 4.
Be aware of slippery and unstable surfaces.
Number 5.
Watch out for tides and currents and don't get distracted when on the water.